Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a brand new review on the new Bissell Crosswave Cordless Max vacuum cleaner and mop. As you guys know, I loved the original Crosswave vacuum slash mop, so I decided to pick up the newest cordless model. So this cordless Crosswave comes with way more goodies than the original Crosswave. So you're going to get a total of 6 formulas when it comes to cleaning your floors, which will be 2 multi-surface formulas, 2 hardwood floor formulas, as well as a wood floor kit and a multi-surface kit. All of these formulas are 8 ounces, which is pretty much like a test kit to see which one you like. And then it also comes with the 3-in-1 docking station. It also comes with a extra replacement filter, which is a bonus. And then it also comes with 2 multi-surface brush rolls. And then of course it comes with the Crosswave Max. Of course, you get your instructions in your registration manual. So this is just a little pamphlet that is attached to the Crosswave, showing you demonstrations on how to work the Crosswave. Very, very simple, not a lot of work to get this bad boy on the floor and rolling. So my main reason for picking up the Bissell Crosswave is because of the 2-tank technology. So with this, you get the clean tank, which dispenses water and the solution mixture with the pull of a trigger, while the dirty water is removed from the floors and stored in a separate tank. So this is completely different from your traditional mop where you're pretty much mopping your floors with dirty water. And then of course this cordless Bissell Crosswave does come with a docking station where you would pretty much charge your vacuum slash mop, and you will also clean your brush head, which you'll see a little later in this video. So once you have your Crosswave on the docking station, it usually takes about an hour or less to fully charge, but once fully charged it does come with 30 minutes. And because I do have the original Crosswave, I wanted to do like a side-by-side comparison. So as you can see, the cordless Crosswave is a little bit more bulkier. So another difference is the original Crosswave does not come with the charging station. Now both of these Crosswaves do come with the 2-tank technology, so you're going to get clean water going out or clean water with solution going out. The new Crosswave has an improved edge cleaning where it helps you clean along baseboards and get into corners a which makes it a little bit more challenging for the original Crosswave because as you can see, it's a lot more bigger. And when it comes to the trigger location as well as the surface selector, it's pretty much in the same location as the original Crosswave, so nothing there has changed. And this is where you would select whether you are cleaning hardwood floors or you're cleaning an area rug. And so this is the tank that is in the front of both of these Crosswaves, and this is the one with the filter. Both of these come with a filter, by the way. So the tank size is pretty much the same. This is where the dirty water will be stored. However, the new Crosswave does come with a strainer where it catches a lot of debris, which I love. So let's go ahead and turn this bad boy on. As you can see, it's halfway charged, and I am going to select cleaning the hardwood floor surface, and we're about to put this bad boy to the test. So I have added my cleaning solution and water to this tank, and I did use the small area so I did not fill this up completely. Now before we get started, I did add some stuff on the floors just because my floors were pretty much clean. So I added like milk, syrup, cereal, just to see how well this actually picks up. Now the original Crosswave, I have no issues. It does the job. So I'm just smearing this syrup in just to see how well it's going to work with cleaning that up and not leaving behind any residue. And as expected, the Crosswave worked pretty good with picking up everything without having to vacuum or sweep before doing the mopping process. However, I will say when it came to getting up the syrup off of the hardwood floors, it was a little challenging just because I was making sure it did not leave any residue behind or it was not spreading the syrup further than where it actually was. So as you can see, this is what the floors look like once it is completely mopped and clean. There's no residue left behind with this syrup. And then this is what the Crosswave was able to catch while it was using the strainer, and I love that. I love that, stuff is not being mixed in with the water. I can see exactly what this Crosswave actually picked up. So really good. I'm impressed. And so now it's time to put the Crosswave on the charging station, which I'm really not a fan of. I wish it was a little bit more easier instead of having to pick up the Crosswave, which is not heavy, but it is a little inconvenience of having to pick it up and try to place it directly on the charging dock. That's a little challenging. So this station does come with little holding stations where you can place your brush heads and let them dry. So now I'm going to show you guys what this charging station does when it comes to cleaning your brush heads after mopping your floors. The self-cleaning cycle is a new feature that I love on the cordless Crosswave. The self-cleaning cycle allows you to flush out the dirt, hair, and debris that may be on your brush while you were cleaning your floors. So this is just an easy way to clean your brushes so that when you get ready to mop your floor the next time, you're starting with a clean brush head. Yeah, I love this feature. And as you can see, the dirty water is going into the tank where you would have to empty that because it will start to stink if you don't empty it like soon as you're done mopping your floors. So I'm going to pop this bad boy open right here. Then I'm going to take the brush roll out and I'm going to let it dry. And that's pretty much how I use this new Bissell Crosswave cordless mop slash vacuum cleaner. I love it. I do feel like this was a great investment. And nowadays, everything needs to be convenient, and I love things that is convenient. So I absolutely would recommend this new cordless Crosswave. Everything that you need to know about this product will be below in the description bar. Thanks for watching. See y'all on the next review video. Bye.